That's my dad. No. Hi. Stay down. Stay down. I could be a dog whisperer. No. Ow! Stop it. No. Stop it. Ow! Ellie! No!
Be nice, Ellie. Be nice.
No, you can't get me now. Huh? I win.
Look at
No.
Ellie.
I got you.
She hates it when you kiss her.
I know, it's funny. Ah, that's my hand. I'm gonna tickle your armpits. Tickle.
Here,
Don't shake a baby, Corey.
I'm not shaking. Here you go.
No, I will kiss you. No, Corey.
She's gonna come back up.
Put her on the table.
We should swaddle her, Corey.
What?
Let's swaddle her.
What does swallow mean?
Like we tie her up in a blanket, like a baby.
Come here, I'm gonna go find a blanket. Come on. I'm not holding you properly. It's okay, Poppy. You're not doing anything. Look, it's beautiful. That was my genius. No, don't eat it. Here, give me my robe.
Your room smells like axe.
I know.
What are you guys doing?
We're gonna swaddle her.
Seriously?
We're swaddling the baby.
This.
Yep.
That is our studio. In here, Corey. We have to lay her down on the floor. Come here, Corey, come here. Wrap her like a noodle.
Okay.
Here, put her on the floor and push her down. Like I was doing earlier. She doesn't move very well when you do that.
It tickles. Oh. No, don't eat me. Okay.
No, don't let her. No, Corey.
Hey, don't eat my robe. I gave that to you. Spit in your eye, Ellie. You're spitting your eye. Go away. Here, hold this. Let me go get the Nazi. Hold on.
The what?
The Nazi.
She's. Why is it called the
It's called the Nazi because it's got knots in it.
Is it German? Oh.
It's got knots in it. Get it, Nazi?
She like ran towards me.
Oh my.